minutes. So uh, I'll just put you some questions. Just let me know how do you feel about it and what inspired you to create this club? The first question. I know this will be common, but yeah, would like to know about it.
So for question answer for this question is actually I wanted to join some another club. Basically, I just wanted to experience Rotrack because I knew that Rotrack because my aunt was part of this Rotrack. So I knew some. I just wanted to join. But Rotarian Paresh uncle told me that you are not allowed to join any club. You have to start the club in Mulund Hills, and if you join in on any other club, I will make sure that you are left that club, but you have to start. I don't know what he has seen, and till date I have no answer. I have not received answer from him that what he had seen in me that time, and that was the typical Rotary elocution project. And whole day he told me that you're not, because I was continuously that I need to get some. So he was the one who maybe we can say that he inspired me to start this Mulund club, and he told me that you start. So that I think.
Okay. So how was the support of your members? Like, since as I know that there were only 15 to 20 people at the start. So how was the support over this with them?
For the very start, it was very difficult for us because I was also not part of Rotaract before, so we all were very new. So starting 2 3 months was very difficult to what is exactly Rotaract, what are how it functions. So basically, we all made sure that at least for the very first 6 months, we at least get to know what is Rotaract and maybe we can settle our club. And since it was half yearly started, so half of the things were already done. So we had to catch up that 6 months, which was there for already. सब बाकी सब क्लब्स ने 6 months already start कर लिया था. हम लोग 6 months late थे. तो वो स्पीड कैचअप करना था एंड प्लस वी वर वेरी न्यू एट दैट टाइम एंड लॉट ऑफ बट आई थिंक that time all the people, the first 15 members, 17 members, charter member, all charter members, I think their support was very good. मतलब उनको भी कुछ पता नहीं था, मतलब और सब हम लोग सब साथ में मिलके सीख रहे थे कि ये कर सकते, ये कर सकते. छोटा छोटा एक्टिविटी हम लोग ने स्टार्ट किया था. So we
Okay.
support was very good.
Okay. So according to you, as we have asked the other also, हमने देखा है लाइक एवरी ईयर कोई ना कोई ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट होता रहता है कि ये फर्स्ट एवर टाइम प्रोजेक्ट है एज यू नो. तो स्टार्टिंग विथ योर क्लब एज हम लोग के फ्लैगशिप प्रोजेक्ट भी है. तो व्हाट वाज द प्रोजेक्ट लाइक, कौन सा ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट था विच मेड यू या दिस इज द बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट फॉर योर ईयर?
Best project, I think this is the starting very first project of our club, which was Helping Hand. I think that project was planned, executed in 4 days in that year, and this was before we received our charter. So this project was very first club like Rotary Club of Mulund was proposed, and with that project so much we received donations, and so much excitement was there from all the members, and though really touched our heart so much that we kept 2015-16 theme only Helping Hand. So I think Helping Hand for us is standard for 15-16. You ask any Helping Hand, then every year whoever president comes, Helping Hand तो करना ही करना है.
Yeah, this is ये एक सेट हो चुका है. This is the flagship project. So
Yes.
change इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay,
And
so I told it was in the 4 day. Can you explain like 4 days this whole project?
so before we had applied for charter. So before that, we just had one meeting in my house, and Diwali was just around the corner, and we just having that क्या projects करने हैं, because we were sure that October end we will get charter. So Rotractor Yash Gore came up with this idea that we will collect this old clothes and we will segregate, and we as and within our hours we started JPEG, and we next day because Diwali was the time कि सब लोग घर साफ करते हैं तो सब old clothes भी निकलेगा, तो he and within next day from Rotary, from our members, we got it bags कि हमारे घर पे कपड़ा है, हमारे घर पे कपड़ा है. In 2 days we collected 20 bags, and there was no place to collect. Then Yash Gore gave his garage, we kept all clothes there, and then he told that कि फिर बाद में और भी suggestions आए कि winter आ रहा है तो shawl donation करते हैं. Then we started with shawl donation, and we got 125 shawl का sponsors. एकदम क्विक, मतलब एक्सप्लेन ही नहीं कर सकती कि कैसे बिल्टअप होते जा रहा है. एवरीवन कंट्रीब्यूटेड विद दिस. So it was truly the team project, not as any avenue or any one person was leading. Whole club came, and that was excellent.
Okay, so as you told it, since you are a charter president, what thoughts came in your mind when you were been selected as a president? The first thought.
So first thought was that कि majorly that was only the tension कि कैसे होगा, because no experience. Then someone told me that कि तू टेंशन मत ले, तेरे को नहीं पता है, मेंबर्स को भी नहीं पता है, तो तू जो बोलेगा वो होगा. Then eventually we sat and we थोड़ा plan, we took one step, and so it happened. So पहले तो ये था, डर तो लगा था कि कैसे होगा, because it was huge responsibility, starting new club, everything. But members का support, Rotary support helped us to lay the foundation.
How was your motivation with your members? Like members कैसे, like as you told me कि सब लोग equally participate कर रहे थे, but there was some motivation with you, like something.
No, but just fellowship. That time we were not कि इतना project करना है, ये level का project करना है, वो करना है. That was just purely fun. We used to meet in meetings, we used to have fellowship. Major तो वही था कि अरे meeting में आएंगे तो fellowship करेंगे. फिर after meeting, Arsh used to take us to Domino's. Nowadays he doesn't take. Maybe sometime he will take back. So just that was the motivation कि हफ्ते में 2 हफ्ते में एक बार मिलने को मिल जाएगा, or leaving all our routine aside and just used to have fun.
Okay, that's nice. As we talk about, since the Arsh is also telling, next GBM will be going for Domino's.
ये लिख के ले लो, ग्रुप में डाल दो अभी, नहीं तो भाग जाएगा.
Okay, that's nice. As मेरे को ज़्यादा तो नहीं पता about the project as you, but हम लोग अगर flagship project बोले तो कुछ not only flagship but जो every year होते जा रहे हैं, like अन्नदान है, community based बोल रही हूँ, अन्नदान है, happy box है, helping hand है, वो every year हो रहा है. And why, what do you feel like different क्यों है बाकी सारे projects?
So this Annadan and Happy Box
continue हो रहा है.
So this Annadan and Happy Box started in 17. Hello.
Yeah. Actually your video is in pause.
Hello.
हाँ, yeah.
अब बीच में क्वेश्चन हाफ ही रह गया.
My question was कि हम लोग के ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स भी है जो एवरी ईयर हम लोग कर रहे हैं एंड वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता ही जा रहा है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाई इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइक अन्नदान Happy Box example I'm saying. Annadan Happy Box helping hand प्रोजेक्ट्स ही फिलहाल के लिए तो है जो हम लोग कैरी फॉरवर्ड कंटिन्यू करते जा रहे हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाई इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कि जिसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड किया जा सकता है. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
हाँ.
बीच में I think मेरा नेट बीच में अभी I think it's not proper.
Okay, so I'll repeat the question. The question is okay. The question is कि as you know that some projects like Annadan, Happy Box, as I told you, community based projects जो carry forward होते ही जा रहे हैं, why it is different and ये carry forward होते हैं, like what is your review on this?
I think basic I think these are the projects where our club's heart is really कि जो भी नया मेंबर आता है या जो भी आता है उन्होंने वो प्रोजेक्ट देखा ही होता है कि मतलब हेल्पिंग हैंड हो रहा है या अन्नदान हो रहा है या वो इंस्टाग्राम या फेसबुक में देखेंगे तो मतलब दिखेगा ही कि अन्नदान हो रहा है या हैप्पी बॉक्स हो रहा है. तो एवरी मेंबर हैज कम सीन. तो उन लोग को वो प्रोजेक्ट उनके भी दिल में बैठ गया है कि ये प्रोजेक्ट और कुछ होगा नहीं होगा ये करना है. बिकॉज इन आवर क्लब देयर इज नो कल्चर कि दिस इज कंपल्सरी यू हैव टू डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट अदरवाइज योर. बट आई थिंक ऑल हैव सीन कमिंग अप एंड ग्रोइंग अप सीइंग दैट प्रोजेक्ट्स. आई थिंक वो अभी बैठ ही गया है कि कोई भी आएगा तो दिल मतलब सबके दिल में वो प्रोजेक्ट है ही. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन कि वो and as a charter president I feel proud and good also ki like there are some projects which connects our whole club. So that what is success for all our presidents here.
Right. Now it's a small segment form question कि I'll tell you something, you just need to tell me कि ये इन लोगों को like particular point out करने basically. So first is first impression. So I just want to know the first impression for all the 7 presidents.
All the 7 presidents. सच बोलना है झूठ बोलना है.
Starting with except इसके लिए बोला. So first is you and second let's start with the second Siddhant, Protractor Siddhant Bajaj.
Siddhant is backup for everything and anything for me. Like कुछ भी नहीं होगा सिद्धांत को बोल दो कर लेगा. वो पता नहीं कैसे कर लेता है बट कर लेगा. कुछ भी हो सब बोल लो उसको बस हो जाएगा.
You have to say that to Harsh.
सच ही बोलूंगा. रिकॉर्डिंग के बाद झूठ बोलूंगा.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the third president is Protractor Rahul Shah. The first
impression Rahul Shah. Rahul बहुत difficult है मेरे लिए.
I know. I would ask you as a president form. I know, but I'll ask you as a president form for the first impression.
President. No particular, very particular. Rahul was very particular with things कि ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, वो ऐसा होना चाहिए. Rahul was very particular.
Okay. The fourth president, our fourth president, Protractor Kapil Joshi.
Kapil was out of box. Like whatever our club did out of box thinking or out of box projects was brought by Kapil. Like तुम कुछ एक्सपेक्ट ही कुछ नहीं कर सकते, कुछ तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते हो, वो कपिल सोच के लेके आएगा और ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस भी दिला देगा कि ये तो हो जाएगा, ये तो कोई बड़ा बात नहीं है, ये तो हो जाएगा. So Kapil was very out of box.
Yeah, he's still continuing it and supporting us.
Yes.
Yes, even I agree. Then our fifth president, retractor Ishan Suvarna.
इसके बारे में सच बोल दूं क्या यार?
You are thinking for it.
नहीं मतलब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि सच बोलूं या क्या बोलूं, मतलब
फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन हमेशा सच होता है. आई
फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन एज अ प्रेसिडेंट.
As a friend also.
What टफ है ये तो.
As a friend will okay.
नहीं एज अ फ्रेंड मैं ऑन रिकॉर्ड बोल नहीं सकता वो चीज. एक मिनट, नेक्स्ट जाते हैं. आई विल कम बैक टू ईशान.
The next is retractor Arsh Shah.
Arsh when he became president he was मतलब first impression था कि ये responsibility ले रहा है, because when he became president and he accepted to become president, that time club का हालत मतलब almost we were there to close the club. So वो time पे उसने responsibility लिया कि मैं responsibility लेता हूँ. I think for first impression when he became president was that responsible बंदा है भाई, club का सोच रहा है वो.
And Arsh is listening to you too. And the last, our current president, retractor Smriti.
Smriti was new energy for the club, like young. मतलब हम सब ऐसे रोड ट्रैक में देखेगा तो हम 6 presidents थोड़े old members थे, तो ऐसा Smriti becoming president and first lady president of our club, so that was the very first change. And she was the new energy, like now we can see that whole lot of new members she has brought and whole new energy in the club. So that was that the freshness in the club now, which we see that now we are like कि चलो भाई अभी क्लब का फ्यूचर का टेंशन जरा भी नहीं है हम लोग को. Now you all have taken up very nicely. So
Okay. So we'll go with the next segment, which is the most entertaining person of the club. As a member, not as a president, as a member, anyone.
by default इसमें कुछ मतलब सबका सेम ही होगा. दिव्या.
नेक्स्ट टाइम उसको भी अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए था फॉर मोस्ट एंटरटेनिंग के लिए. अभी
नहीं उसका अवार्ड वही है कि वो हम लोग को एंटरटेन करता है. उसको अवार्ड का क्या दे रहा है, वो आपको एंटरटेन करते रहे बस.
right. The other is the best in your year, best club service or a community service project of your year, except helping us.
One was which we did this Mission Smile. That was the education for girl child. That was the, I think, nice project. We collected around 19 or 20,000 rupees and we sponsored 7 to 8 girls education for one whole year. So that was project.
Okay, nice. One thing that made you connected with this club, like Retract Club. वरना कुछ लोग होते हैं like अभी किया फिर छोड़ दिया बाद में. So that thing which connected to you.
Members and fellowship of this club, like बाकी projects होते रहते हैं. The main soul and the fellowship, the bond which we had and the fellowship which we do is what makes us unique and makes us connected. For me, I think that membership and fellowship.
Okay. the last question from my side is, what are your expectations for the future president?
Future president say, I mean, now I have to be like the incoming DRR.
I know.
तो ऐसे 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 मैं बोलूंगा तो बहुत सारे expectations है.
Not with me, with the other future presidents too. Would you like?
Now, you are only the one who is upcoming, no? So अभी बाकी के तो देखे नहीं है मैंने तो.
Continue होना चाहिए ना, नहीं ये चीज continue होना चाहिए ना. That's something.
No, just one thing. Enjoy to the fullest. Rotrack है इतना seriously में बस मस्ती करो, मजा करो, बाकी सब होते रहेगा. खाओ पियो ऐश करो.
Okay, and congratulations for getting a DRR for the 20 to 23.
Thank you.
And I would like other members, if anyone wanted to ask the question, open for all. Can unmute your mic and question. I hope there is no question over here. जो भी फन था आई थिंक बीच में हो गया. So thank you so much, Retractor Jimin, for interacting with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can we stop recording?